Ah. Aray. Yun lang.
Yan lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Masarap tayo
Masaya ako. Hindi po ba pwede natin sakyan yun? New Year naman. Eh, pag nagalit po siya. Nakapala po ako at masyado nang matinik. This is what we call the mangroves or bakhaw in Tagalog. I think we have to call the attention of Kuya Kim to give us some trivia about these mangroves. 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 Okay, I don't think that maliligo ako mamaya, pero titignan natin. Aray. Ay, ayan na siya. Siguro, it's been a while or after my last experience with the beach. Ayun na, pwede ba kahit parot-parito lang?